Namaste and good evening to everyone. I am Sumangala Bhatt here. See, if you are comfortable, you can sit on the floor or you can sit on the chair also throughout the session. See, for all the practices which can be done either standing or sitting, I will be giving the instruction. And for the supine practices or lying on the back, you can lie down on the bed, cot, or you can lie down on the mat. Okay. We will start the session. Gently close your eyes. Allow your mind and body to settle down. Sit in any comfortable posture who are sitting on the floor in Sukhasana or legs stretched in the front. Who are sitting on the chair, make sure your feet firmly resting on the floor. Feel the contact of your seat onto the mat, onto the chair. Keep your spine, neck, head aligned, shoulders relaxed. Open up your chest. Neck relaxed. Relax your chin. With a pleasant smile, relax your facial muscles. Gently adopt chin mudra, tip of the thumb and index fingers touching each other, resting on your thighs, facing upwards. Gently become aware of your breath. Just become aware of the natural breathing process. Become aware of your inhalation. Become aware of your exhalation. Now, as you inhale and exhale, feel the changes happening in your chest and abdominal region also. As you inhale, feel your abdomen, chest expanding. As you exhale, feel them sinking back. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. 2 more rounds of breathing with complete awareness. Inhale. Chest, abdomen region expand. Exhale. Feel them sinking back. As you practice breath awareness, feel your breath becoming steady, body becoming comfortable, mind becoming calm. Let us further align our mind to the session by chanting 3 rounds of Omkara as we exhale. Gently take your awareness to the space between your eyebrows. Inhale. 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 Feel the beautiful vibration of Om. Namaskar Mudra at the heart center. Sahanavavatu. Inhale. Om Sahanavavatu. Sahanau Bhunaktu. Sahaviryam Karavavahai. Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Gently bow down your head to the Almighty. Take the blessings. As you inhale, gently come up. Blink, open your eyes. Look at your palms. Gently release your hands. Namaste. Once again, good evening to everyone. We will start the session. Stretch your hands in the front, palms facing each other. Now gently turn your fingertips inward. Gently now as you inhale, open up your palms. Exhale, move your fingers inwards. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. 2 more rounds. Inhale, exhale. As you do this practice, feel the stretch happening throughout your hands from your upper back. Feel the changes in your wrist joint. Last round. Exhale, inhale. As you exhale, release your hands, relax. Feel the change. Now gently bring your fingertips on your shoulders, elbows facing the front. Inhale, with a jerk, stretch your hands in the front. Exhale back. Inhale, exhale back. Inhale, exhale back. Inhale, exhale back. 3 more rounds. Inhale, exhale. You can keep your eyes closed and try to become aware of the changes taking place throughout your hands, in your upper back, in your elbows. Last round. Inhale, stretch. Exhale. Now gently release your hands, relax. Feel the changes. Breathe in, breathe out. Relax. Now gently, as you inhale, raise your hands above the head. Join your palms together. As you exhale, bending at the elbows, joining your palms, forearms and elbows together. Bring your hands down. Once again, breathe in deeply. Raise your hands above the head, palms joined together. As you exhale, join your palms, forearms, elbows together. Bring your hands down. One more round. Inhale, stretch up. Stretch up. Give a good stretch to the spine. Exhale, gently go down. Come to the center. Now in the opposite direction, see. Stretch your hands sideways. Bring your hands to Namaskara. From there, join your forearms, elbows together. Stretch your hands above the head. Exhale down. Once again. Bring your palms, forearms, elbows together. Stretch up. Exhale down. Throughout the practice, awareness on the breath and the changes happening in your arms, upper back, in your shoulder joints. Inhale up. Exhale down. Last round. Inhale, stretch up. Exhale, gently go down. Release your hands, relax. Feel the changes. Breathe in, breathe out. Now gently move towards the neck. Inhale at the center. Exhale, bring your chin to the upper chest. Inhale, gently stretch your neck up and back. Keep your awareness at the back and front of the neck. Exhale, chin to the upper chest. Inhale, stretch your neck up and back. Exhale, chin to the upper chest. Inhale, stretch your neck up and back. One more round. Exhale, chin to the upper chest. Inhale, stretch your neck up and back. As you exhale, gently come to the center. Breathe in, breathe out. Feel the changes in the neck. Now lateral bending of the neck. Inhale at the center. Now gently exhale, bend your neck to the right. Raise your left hand to 45 degrees. Inhale to the center, release your left hand. Now exhale, bend your neck to the left, raise your right hand to 45 degrees. Feel the changes throughout the right side of the neck, right hand. Exhale down. Now inhale to the center, exhale, bend your neck to the right, raise your left hand to 45 degrees. Exhale down. You can keep your eyes closed. Try to feel the changes happening on the sides of the neck, in your hands. Exhale down. 2 more rounds. Exhale, bend your neck to the right. Raise your left hand to 45 degrees. Feel the stretch on the whole left. Inhale to the center. Once again, now exhale, bend. Bend your neck to the left. Raise your right hand to 45 degrees. Inhale to the center. Last round. Exhale, bend. Inhale. Exhale, bend. Inhale. Gently come to the center. Release. Relax. Feel the changes. Breathe in, breathe out. For the next practices, who are comfortable will be coming to the standing position. Who are not comfortable in standing will be continuing with the sitting on the chair only. I will be giving both the instructions. Come to the standing position. We are going for Patha Sanchalana or leg backward and forward movement. You can hold the chair or you can place your hands on your waist. Gently start with moving your leg to the front and back. Upper part of the body is stable. Take the support of the chair also. You can combine with breath. Inhale, exhale, go back. Who are sitting on the chair, gently inhale, exhale. You can continue with alternative legs also or with a single leg. Who are doing with standing, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, exhale, go back, inhale, exhale, keep your upper part of the body stable, exhale, go back, become aware of the changes in your hip joint, in the front and back of your thigh. Continue 3 more rounds. With the breathing, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Last round. Inhale, stretch in the front. If you are comfortable, be there. Normal breathing. Feel the changes happening throughout your right leg. Make sure your left leg is firmly placed on the floor. No over tightening of your left knee. Normal breathing. Now gently take your leg back. Stretch back to your capacity. See, like this. Stretch back to your capacity. Toes pointing away from the body. Normal breathing. If you are comfortable, be there. Who are sitting on the chair, stretch your leg and maintain. Gently release. Rest your right leg on the floor. Once again, with the left leg, same practice. Gently inhale, stretch, exhale back. Inhale, stretch, exhale back. Continue, inhale, exhale. Inhale, stretch, exhale back. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Continue, become aware of the changes happening in your hip joint, thigh, lower back, upper part of the body is stable. Even you can take the support of the wall also, no issues. If you are comfortable, without the support also, you can continue. Last 2 rounds. Now gently inhale, come to the front, be there. If you are comfortable, be there. See, keep your spine straight. Feel the stretch throughout the left leg. Normal breathing. Feel the stretch in the front of your left thigh. Do not over tighten your left knee. Now gently take your right leg back. Upper part of the body stable. Toes pointing away from the body. Once again, be there with normal breathing. Feel the stretch in the front of the thigh. Feel the changes happening in your hip joint, hip muscle. Gently release your left leg, relax. Feel the changes. If your legs are hurting, gently walk around, release, relax. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, relax. Let us go for one lateral stretch. Who are sitting on the chair, keep your legs at chair width distance. Stretch your hands sideways. Exhale, bend, inhale. Exhale, bend, inhale. For the people who are in the standing position, legs at 3 feet distance. feet parallel to each other. Stretch your hands in level with your shoulders. Now gently, as you exhale, bend laterally to the left. Look front, inhale to the center. Exhale, gently bend to the right. Inhale to the center. Exhale, bend. Inhale. Exhale, bend. Inhale. Exhale, bend. Let us go for 5 more rounds. If someone is not comfortable, please relax, or even you can keep your legs closer to each other and gently give the lateral stretch to the body who are having severe shoulder issue. You can just give lateral stretch by moving your palms along your legs. Others, last 3 rounds. Exhale, gently bend to the right or to the left. Inhale, once again exhale, bend. Observe the stretch happening on the sides of your body, in your thigh, lower back, hip joint. Inhale. Do not lean forward or backward. Take your body in the same plane. Laterally bend the body towards the right and the left. Exhale, bend. Inhale. Last 2 rounds. Exhale, bend. Inhale to the center. Exhale, bend. Inhale to the center. Last round. Exhale, bend. Look in the front. Who are really comfortable, be there. Normal breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale to the center. Gently exhale, bend to the left. If you are not comfortable, relax or continue with breathing. Normal breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, gently come to the center. Exhale, release your hands. Gently bring your legs closer to each other. Relax in Shithilatadasana. Breathe in, breathe out. Feel the after effect of the practice on the sides of your body, lower back, hip. Breathe in, breathe out, relax. Now once again, bring your legs to shoulder width distance. Simple twisting practice. Bring your hands to the shoulders level, palms facing downwards. Now inhale at the center. Exhale, gently twist to the right. Inhale to the center. Exhale, twist to the left. Inhale. Exhale, twist. Keep your lower part of the body stable. Give the twist from the waist. Exhale, twist. Inhale. Exhale, twist. Inhale. Let us go for 6 more rounds. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Continue. 3 more rounds. Exhale, twist. Inhale. Exhale, twist. Inhale. Do not drop down your shoulders or hands. Keep your hands at your shoulders level. Exhale. Inhale. Feel the twist in the waist. Feel the stretch in the lower back. Continue with the breathing and with the awareness on the changes taking place in your body. Last round. Exhale, twist to the right. Inhale to the center. Exhale, twist to the left. Inhale to the center. Gently release your hands. Relax. Feel the changes. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Relax. Let us go for one backward forward bending. People who are sitting on the chair will be keeping their legs at hip width distance. Exhale, stretch forward. Inhale, go back. Others, keep your legs at 2 to 2.5 feet distance. Okay. Take your hands back. Interlock your fingers. Now gently, who are having severe lower back issue, keep your legs at hip width distance. Who are comfortable, legs at 2 to 2.5 feet distance. Now gently, as you inhale, push your pelvis forward, gently lean back. As you exhale, gently pushing your hip back, stretch forward from the lower back. Bring your body parallel to the ground. Once again, as you inhale, come up gently without putting pressure on the lower back. Push your pelvis forward. Your neck and spine are in line. As you exhale, gently stretch forward from the lower back. Inhale, come up, lean back. Exhale, gently stretch forward from the lower back. Listen to your body. If you are comfortable, continue. Inhale, up, lean back. Exhale, gently stretch forward. Inhale, up, lean back. Exhale, gently stretch forward. If you are really comfortable, 2 more rounds. Inhale, up, lean back. Exhale, gently stretch forward. Inhale, up, lean back. Exhale, gently stretch forward from the lower back. Bring your body parallel to the ground. Now, as you inhale, come to the center. Release your hands. Bring your legs closer to each other. Relax. Take a deep breath in. Complete breath out. Relax. Now all of you will go on to the mat and lie down on your back, on the mat or on the cot. Gently lie down. Gently lie down on your back. From there, you will be turning to your right side. We will be going for Ananta Shayana stretches. See, for Ananta Shayana stretches, you can keep your hand like this or like this, or you can bend at the elbow and rest your head like this also, whichever is comfortable for you. Now gently rest your left palm in front of your chest. Now as you inhale, gently raise your left leg to 60 degrees. Exhale down. Try to keep your knees straight, keep your body perpendicular to the ground. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. No turning your body to the front or to the back. Inhale up. Exhale down. 3 more rounds. Feel the stretch happening throughout the leg, in your hip joint, in your lower back. As you breathe in, you are raising your leg up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Last round. If you are really comfortable, inhale up and maintain there. Feel the changes in your left leg, lower back, hip. Normal breathing. Exhale, gently release your left leg. Relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now gently turn to the other side. See, you can gently turn and turn your back towards me. No issues. No need to get up again. On to the other side. Now rest your right palm in front of your chest. You can rest your head on your arm. You can bend at the elbow also. Now gently inhale. Raise your right leg up to 60 degrees. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Try to become aware of the changes taking place throughout your right leg, in your hip joint, lower back. See, who are feeling discomfort when you are raising your right leg up, keep your left leg slightly bent at the knee so that your lower back will be relaxed. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. You can keep your eyes closed also. Try to change breath in the body. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Last round. Let us maintain there at 60 degrees. Be there. Normal breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale. Gently release your left leg or your right leg and relax. Now gently turn around, lie down on your back, keeping your both legs bent at the knees. Relax. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Relax completely. Now gently straighten your right leg. Raise your left foot off the floor. Bring your hands around the knee, or you can hug your knee, or you can place your palms in between your calf muscle and thigh. whichever is comfortable for you, be there. Now engage your right leg. Let the right back of the whole right leg is completely in contact with the floor. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Now gently inhale, raise your right leg up. Exhale down. Raise your leg to your capacity, maybe 60 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree, whichever is comfortable for you. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Now gently straighten your left leg, release your left leg. Gently fold your right leg at the knee, hug your right knee, press your right thigh to your abdomen. You can keep your palms in between your calf muscle and thigh also. Give complete relaxation to the back, engage your whole left leg, toes pointing upwards. Now gently start with left leg raising. Inhale, raise your left leg up to your capacity. Exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Last two rounds. Inhale up, exhale down. Last round. Inhale up, exhale down. Now gently straighten your right leg, release, relax. Feel the changes, breathe in, breathe out. Now gently fold your both legs at the knees, your legs at hip width distance, feet parallel to each other, palms by the sides of the body. Let us go for Setu Bandhasana breathing. As you inhale, gently raise your hip, lower and middle back off the floor. Press your upper back onto the floor, chin relax. Exhale, rest your middle back, lower back, hip onto the floor. Two more rounds. Inhale, gently raise your body up. No pressure on the knee. Exhale, gently go down. One more round. Inhale, gently come up to Setu Bandhasana. Who are really comfortable, be there. Normal breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4. As you exhale, gently go down, release, relax. Let your legs be bent at the knees. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Relax. Now gently raise your both feet off the floor. Once again, hug your knees. Or you can place your palms in between your calf muscles and thighs also. Press your upper back onto the floor. Shoulders relaxed, elbows closer to the body, neck relaxed. Be there. Give complete relaxation to the back. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now gently move your body very slowly to the right and come to the center. Gently roll your body to the left. Gently as you inhale, come to the center. Exhale to the left. Inhale, exhale very slowly. Observe the massage happening to the whole spine. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. Last two rounds, continue. Exhale to the right, inhale, exhale to the left, inhale, exhale, right. Feel the massage to the spine. Inhale, exhale to the left, inhale, come to the center. Now gently release your hands, rest your feet on the floor. Gently release your legs one by one and relax. Completely relax yourself on the floor, on the mat. Lie down in Shavasana, or you can lie down on the cot also. Completely relax in Shavasana. I will be sitting and giving instructions. You will be going for short Yoga Nidra. All of you lie down on your back. Legs away from each other, hands away from the body, palms facing upwards, fingers naturally curled. Your back of the neck, back of the head completely relaxed. Whole body completely collapsed, relaxed on the floor. Take a deep breath in, complete breath out. Breathe in deeply, breathe out completely. Breathe in deeply, breathe out completely. As you breathe in and as you breathe out, completely collapse your body on the mat. Release, relax. Breathe in deeply, breathe out completely. As you breathe in and as you breathe out, feel your body sinking onto the mat. Feel the heaviness of your body. Completely let go, release, relax. Now gently take your awareness to your right toes. Release and relax your right toes. Relax the top of your right foot, sole of your right foot. Relax your right ankle joint. Relax your right shin bone, right calf muscle. Move your awareness to the right knee joint. Relax. Awareness to the right thigh. Relax the front of your right thigh, back of your right thigh. Relax your inner thigh region. Relax your right groin. Now gently shift your awareness to your left toes. Relax completely. Relax the top of your left foot, sole of your left foot. Relax your left ankle joint. Relax your left shin bone, left calf muscle, knee joint. Awareness to the left thigh. Relax the front of your left thigh, back of your left thigh, inner thigh region, groin region. Relax your pelvic floor muscles. Completely relax your whole right leg. Relax your whole left leg. Collapse, relax. Now gently take your awareness to the hip region. Relax your hip muscles. Relax your hip joint. Gently take your awareness to your lower back. Keeping your awareness on the lower back, breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Completely relax all the muscles, joints in your lower back. Gently move your awareness to the middle back. Relax all the muscles, joints in your middle back. Awareness to the upper back region. Relax your shoulder blades. Relax all the muscles, joints in your upper back. Move your awareness to the right shoulder. Collapse your right shoulder. Relax. Relax your right shoulder joint, right upper arm, elbow joint, forearm, wrist joint, back and front of your right palm. Relax your right finger joint. Gently take your awareness to the left shoulder. Relax your left shoulder. Collapse your left shoulder onto the mat. Relax your left shoulder joint, left upper arm, elbow joint, forearm, wrist joint, back and front of your left palm, left finger joint. Relax your whole left hand. Collapse your both right hand and left hand on the floor. Feel the heaviness of your hand. Gently take your awareness to the back of the neck. Check is there any discomfort, tension at the back of your neck. Breathe in, breathe out. Let go, release if there is any tension, discomfort. Gently move your awareness to the back of the head. Relax. Relax the right side of your head, left side of your head. Relax your right ear, left ear. Awareness to the top of the head, to the crown of your head. Relax your whole head region completely. Awareness to the forehead region. Relax. Relax your temple muscles. Relax your eye region, eyeballs, eyelids, eyelashes. Relax your eyebrows, the space between your eyebrows. Relax your nose bridge. Relax your nostrils. Bring a pleasant smile on your face and relax your cheeks. Relax your facial muscles completely. Awareness to the mouth region. Relax your upper lip. Relax your lower lip. Relax your upper teeth, lower teeth, tongue. Swallow the saliva. Relax the throat muscles, vocal cord region completely. Shift your awareness to the chin muscles. Relax. Awareness to the front of your neck. Relax the front of your neck completely. Your awareness to the collarbone. Relax completely. Awareness to the thoracic region. Relax your rib cage, rib muscles. Relax your lungs. Relax your heart. Gently move your awareness to the abdominal region. Relax all the abdominal muscles, all the abdominal organs completely. Your whole body from the toes to the head is completely relaxed. Keeping your awareness on the abdominal region. Just watch the abdominal movement as you inhale and as you exhale. Inhale, your abdomen is moving up. Exhale, feel it sinking back. Inhale, abdomen bulges up. Exhale, feel it sinking back. Inhale, exhale. Gently move your awareness to the thoracic region. As you inhale, feel the thoracic region expanding. As you exhale, feel it sinking back. Inhale, feel your thoracic region expanding. Exhale, feel it sinking back. Inhale, exhale. Now gently take your awareness to the tip of the nose. Become aware of the air moving in as you inhale. Become aware of the air coming out as you exhale. As you inhale, you are taking in the cool air inside. As you exhale, feel the warm air coming out. As you inhale, feel the cool air entering into your nostrils, moving to your windpipe, then to your lungs. As you exhale, feel the warm air from the lungs, through the windpipe, out through the nostrils. Breathe in deeply. Breathe out completely. Now gently take your awareness to the area behind your forehead, known as Chidakasha or mind space. By now, there are no thoughts in your mind space, or there might be very few thoughts arising in your mind. If there are any thoughts, acknowledge them, let go, release. If there are any images in your mind space, once again, do not attach yourself to them. Just acknowledge them, let go, release, relax. Make your mind space completely clear. Now gently visualize a golden ball of energy from the universe, from the higher divinity, is gently coming towards you. Do not use any logic. Just visualize a golden ball of energy from the universe is gently coming towards you, descending towards you. The golden ball of energy is coming closer and closer to you. And the golden ball of energy is giving gentle touch to the crown of your head. As the golden ball of energy gives gentle touch to the crown of your head, your whole head region is completely covered by the golden rays of the golden ball. Your mind is completely illuminated By the touch of golden rays, you are completely free from anxiety, tension, stress, irritation. Mind is completely calm, blissful. The golden rays from the golden ball of energy are moving further downwards, covering your entire facial region, relaxing your facial region completely. The golden rays from the golden ball of energy are moving to the front and back of your neck, energizing your thyroid gland at the front, relaxing, completely rejuvenating the back of your neck. The golden rays, with their magical touch, energizing each and every cell, muscle, organ on their path. Visualize the golden rays are gently moving to your thoracic region, covering your entire thoracic region, rejuvenating your heart, energizing, strengthening your lungs. Golden rays are moving further downwards, covering your entire abdominal region, rejuvenating all your abdominal organs. At the back, golden rays covering your whole upper, middle, and lower back, bringing energy, strength to your whole back, covering your whole right hand, left hand. The golden rays from the golden ball of energy are moving further downwards, covering your entire right leg, covering your entire left leg. Your whole body is completely covered by a shield of golden rays from the golden ball of energy. Your whole body is completely protected by a layer of golden rays, by the aura of golden rays. Whole body is completely rejuvenated. Mind is completely blissful. Enjoy this feeling of safety. Enjoy this feeling of being protected. At this point of feeling blissful, calm, rejuvenated, make a positive sankalpa. I am safe. I am healthy. I am blissful. With this positive resolve, gently bring your awareness back to the breath. Feel your breath completely calm, deep, rhythmic. Become aware of your body. Feel your body completely collapsed, relaxed on the floor. Feel the lightness of your body. Gently adopt Namaskara Mudra in the lying down position itself, palms together. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah. Inhale. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah. Sarve Santu Niramayah. Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu. Ma Kaschid Dukha Bhag Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Gently release your hands, keeping your eyes closed. Gently bring your legs together, hands by the sides of your body. Stretch your right hand above the head. Fold your left leg at the knee. Left palm on your abdomen. Gently turn your whole body to the right. Release your left leg. Be there. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Gently place your left palm in front of your chest without disturbing the silence of your mind. With the support of both the palms, come to the most comfortable sitting posture. Keeping your eyes closed, rub your palms, generate good amount of warmth. Give gentle massage to your shoulders, arms, elbows, chest, abdomen, lower back, thighs, knees, calf muscles and feet. Once again, rub your palms, generate warmth. Cup your palms, cover your eyes. Do not press your eyeballs. Give a feathery massage to the facial muscles, neck muscles. Bring your palms in front of your eyes. Blink, open your eyes. Look at your palms with a beautiful smile on your face. Thank you. Hope you all enjoyed the session.